Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It is August 9 and it is like around 8:30 something right now. So just getting up. I'm gonna be starting my day, so just wanted to start a vlog today. I don't really have much for today, honestly. I don't know really what I do. I don't know what mother here. But if this turns into like a weekend vlog, then that is fine. It might be a weekend vlog. So it's Friday, August 9, as I said, and we're about to start our day. So if you're new, I'm SHEIN and I do lifestyle videos, mostly vlogs, pretty much vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when I make a video. I'm just waiting on my mom now to finish. I did show you guys how I bought this hair in a previous vlog. It's the Ghana twist, afro twist bulk. So I'm gonna be using this here in our hair today. Hey guys, so hi!
Did you text your father?
Yes. Yes, I did. Hey guys, so it's quite later. It's like after 5 right now, and right now let's finish my mother ear. What? Anyways, so I'm gonna be doing dinner right now. We're gonna be doing some fried chicken. Don't know with what yet, but yeah. So let's get that done.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake, been stressed for so long.
So I just woke up. It's like kind of early. It's like really early. First of all, start me to wake up so early. It is 6:19. 6:19. So hi mom. We're heading out today, just but bringing in my mom to camp. So yeah. Otherwise from that, don't know exactly what we're doing today, but I just wanted you guys to chill with me. So come on out, let's go. yeah, this is the suit. I want to what do you call this? Romper jumper, whichever one now I call it. So I don't know. Show it in the mirror. I'll show it to properly. But yeah, this is the outfit. Do you guys like my shoe? We are at the campsite. No, we're at the campsite finally. Hi. Jesus, shut up, go.
I was like, what are you doing?
We are go.
I want some more.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. It is about after 9 to 10 right now. I think after 9. After 9, yes, just say after 9. We got back home probably about also after 9. We got back after 9. Anyways, so we didn't do much. We pretty much just went for one major thing, well, two major things. That was doing some business and then dropping off my camp. So yeah, but I got to stop at a haberdashery or one store, and I got some essential stuff that I needed. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First of all, I got a toothbrush. So yeah, bought that. I got myself, because I want to do my nails, so I got some nail polish remover. Don't know what brand this is. Do take it off. It looked like it's a Jamaican, yeah, product of Jamaica. It's a Jamaica brand. I tell what it say. I also got some lashes. It's the Beautiful Kiss Supernatural lashes. It's 8D Fox Mink lashes, and it comes with 5 sets. So this is what it looks like. And if you know, you know that I started to learn how to put on lashes, so that's for that. And I got myself a deodorant because I don't want to run out of that, so I got one of that. I'm out of my spray deodorant, so I got this small one. Jesus, sure, I got this small one. I wanted the pink top one, but they didn't have any in the small, so this is the Go Fresh grapefruit and lemongrass scent. It's not bad, but at first I see one of them with this kind of top. Like, this is unusual, but yeah. And I also got a big one, so that's for the traveling, like if me I go anywhere, but this is for me to use like on a regular basis. So I got this in the pink top one, but when we smell it, it's different. So this is also Go Fresh pomegranate and lemon verbena scent. I don't know, it's not the same that I'm used to, but it's nice. So that's what I got yesterday. For today we're gonna head into Kelly's and see, we have some stuff to do in Kelly, so I might bring you guys along, I might not, I'm not sure. Let's see how that works.
Got the goods. There it is.
Hey guys, so I am back home from off the road, and this is gonna be like a mini haul section, mini try on haul kind of section. So I went and I got some stuff from Dress for Less. That's a store in Kelly's. It's one of my friend's stores, so if you want you could check it out. Dress for Less. Dress for Less. So I got 2 stuff from there, and then my sister got me 2 things. So I haven't made any online shopping. If you don't realize, I have not done a online like any haul from year start, because I have not shopped online from year start. So everything that I've gotten like from SHEIN since here, my sister buy them give me. So she bought me some pre-birthday gift. Guys, birthday not until September, but I think she wants us to wear one of these things in an upcoming trip. Well, both of these things I guess she said in an upcoming trip. So she got me 2 stuff, and I'm also gonna be trying those on for you guys. So we're gonna unbox them and then try them on. So yeah, these are the jeans. They are, what do you call these, boyfriend jeans. So they're big footed, nasty, and they have some cutouts at the knee, which I like the cutout business. So yeah, that's the first jean, and I think this is a 1X. I think this is a 1X. I'm gonna looking at it, and then if not, I'm gonna just pop it on the screen. So it's a 1X. So yeah, the next jean, I got 2 jeans by the way from Dress for Less, because that's the reason why I went there. So I got this cargo jeans from Dress for Less. So it's the jeans with the little pockets. So I'm kind of getting into the vibe of the big jeans kind of thing. Alright, so we're going to change into this one. Alright, so the next set of jeans, this is what it looks like. So it's kind of high-waisted. Yeah, kind of high-waisted. I don't know what size this is. I need to check. I don't know. But yeah, this is the cargo thing. I like the next thing that I got. Hi SHEIN, may I've seen you. So these are compliments of her. Then what you, yes, there it is. So it's this blouse here my sister got me. So let's try this on. Alright, so I cannot show my bra at the moment, but I'm just kind of, actually no, I can fix that. So this is what the blouse looks like. It's kind of cropped, so it's supposed to be wearing something like this. Yeah. Shan?
Yeah?
Come look at my top.
I can't see it.
Oh my god, I said come look.
So you can't go?
Oh my gosh, okay. Last thing is this, what do you call this? It's a biker short set. And my sister and I are twinning, so I chose the black. So it says period. Literally says period. So that's the biker shorts, and this is what the top looks like. Like, isn't that cute? So I'm gonna try it on and then show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Period. with the thingy on the side. Yeah, not a bad fit, honestly. So yeah. Hey guys, so currently editing the vlog and realizing I did not end the vlog, so just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, people. Leave a comment down below so that I can know who watched this vlog, because honestly, you guys subscribe, yes, you like the video, yes, you watch, yes, but I don't necessarily know who unless you actually comment. So comment down below that you have watched the video. If it's even just to put an emoji, guys, if it's just an emoji, I will appreciate it. So you know, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, which hopefully will be soon. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.